Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Monten. I am a dancer and a choreographer, and I direct a dance company based in Bern, Switzerland.
Hi everyone, my name is Sandra and I'm a dancer at Joshua Monten Dance Company here in Bern.
We are in Bern, Switzerland. Bern is the capital of Switzerland. The building we're at is called the Dampfzentrale. It's a big theater in Switzerland. This is where we often show our dance productions. Anyway, we are here today to dance together with you. This is an international project between Switzerland and Thailand. We are here to teach you some new dance skills, to dance together with you, and then to teach you the choreography for a brand new flash mob which we have created just for this occasion. We'll be giving a series of lectures or of lessons. We invite you to dance along at home. Some of the things will be hard. You're welcome to watch the episode multiple times until you get it right. But in any case, the choreography we're making is suitable for everybody. Yeah?
Yes, for kids,
For teenagers,
for adults,
for grandparents.
and for parents,
It's suitable for people who love to dance.
and people who have no dance experience at all.
So don't be shy. The most important thing is to be open to new experiences, to be ready to use your whole body, and anything will be possible.
So today we're gonna start with a little warm-up. As professional dancers, before we start dancing, we have to get our body ready to move. So we try to stretch in every direction, mobilize every single body part, and get body prepared for what is coming later. So I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite exercises of my warm-up routine. So stand with your feet hip-width apart. Breathe in and join your hands up in the sky, and breathe out. Roll up from the top of your head down to the ground. Bend your knees at the end, and while stretching your knees, roll up the spine back to standing. One vertebra at a time. Again, breathe in. Shoulders and tip of your fingers all the way up, and breathe out. Top of the head down, rolling one vertebra at a time. Down. Bend your knees and roll up. One last time, breathe in. Deep through your nose and breathe out. Calm down. Stay down and just bend your knees and stretch them again. If you can't touch the floor, don't worry, just grab your elbows and hang there. Bend the knees again and stretch one last time. Bend, and we come back to standing. Very good. Imagine now you have a pencil on the top of your head, and we start painting small circles up at the ceiling. Now the circles are getting a little bit bigger. Make very nice round circles and bigger. And now as big that you imagine you're painting circles on the walls around your room. Very good. We change direction. We go from big circles to small ones. First huge circles, and then making them smaller and smaller and smaller. Very good. We start warming up the shoulders. You can use your PS, you can bend your knees, rolling the shoulders from the front to the back. Big juicy circles, use your elbows and change direction. Imagine you're putting a coat on from the back to the front. Very good. Open the arms to the side, breathe in. Breathe out, stretch the left arm to the ceiling. Breathe out, imagine somebody's pulling you all the way to the right side. Stand firm with your both feet on the ground. Breathe in the middle. Breathe out, right arm goes as far as possible to the left. And again, breathe in the middle. Breathe out, both heels on the ground. Breathe in. Breathe out, stay on the side. Now imagine a big round ball in front of you, and you try to lay on top of the ball in the middle. And now continue the circle with the left arm towards the right side and open. We do that again to the other side. Left arm stretches to the right. Now we come and hug from above the big ball. Continue to the other side and stretch. We do it a little bit faster. You can bend your knee a little bit, and with a little bit of swing to one side, come up and to the other side. Feel the movement in your spine. Enjoy it. One last time to both sides. And last one. Very good. So we are moving to the next section, where you're gonna learn the dance.
All right, we are now ready to start learning choreography. The goal is that we would practice chunks, little segments, little blocks of choreography for the next few days. We get each block ready, and when we're feeling good about each block, we'll start to put them together. Maybe on day 3 and 4, we'll do longer sequences of many blocks. We start with the first block, yeah? This is called the monster
Walk.
The monster walk, all right. So we have to get a little bit into the character of a monster. So big wide legs, big arms, a little bit low posture, yeah? And we're gonna start with our right leg. We have right leg, and then we pull down. Left leg, pull down, right, huh, bump, yeah. And it's nice to use your chest a little bit, so your chest can pop out when you're taking the steps. Yeah, let's try again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so 8 counts, that makes 4 steps. The next part is we do a hand dance. We're gonna slide our hand along our thigh and then put our foot down. Bum, ba-da, jump. Hands circle, hands come together. And we're gonna jump and wiggle down like that. Okay? Like a worm falling into the water. Okay? Let's try it again. With the counts, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's put those 2 parts together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, good. Let's show the next part. So after we've done this, there's the second half. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We put our feet together. We pretend that we're cooking 2 pots of soup. One on the right, one on the left, and our knees kind of wiggle back and forth. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah? So it's 8 counts for the first monster walk. We have 8 counts for the hand dance. Another 8 counts for the next monster walk. We have 8 counts to stir the soup, and 1 more time to jump into the water. Let's try with music, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Monster dance. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good, good, good. Okay, let's stop. We're gonna you can keep the music, or it's okay. We're gonna put our backs to you, so you can see our backs as we're doing it, and we'll do it one more time with the music. 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Good, thanks a lot. All right, this is a complicated choreography. It's going to take a while. You should practice it a few times on your own. Maybe watch the video again, and when you feel really good about it, then you can go on to the next section.
So we're moving to the next section of our dance. It's going to be a little bit easier, so you can relax a little bit more into it. We are going to start with simple walks. No, doesn't matter which foot you start, doesn't matter which direction, you can go free in your directions. So we do 3 steps, 2, 3 on a 4th. We make a little hop, joining the feet together, and then we change the direction for another 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. We are adding to this movement shoulders in the moment when we are doing a hop. Imagine you have like a big raindrop on your shoulders going to the elbow, and you're just trying to shake it out to the front on the last count. It's gonna look like that. 1, 2, 3, and shake. 1, 2, 3. Shoulders with an accent. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. We are doing this 4 times. And the next part is the freestyle part that you are imagining to do only with the lower part of the body. So your legs, your knees, your hips, your feet are going crazy. You're really making party, and the upper body is only responding. This we are going to do for 8 counts. After that, we are repeating the walking shoulder part 4 times as we had before. Big accent on the 4, changing directions. Last one. And now we change. The legs are kind of stable, and we are going to improvise and going freestyle with upper body, mostly focusing on the elbows. So you try to see your space, maybe the room that you are in, with your elbows, using the whole body, using the chest, the head, and the spine. All right? Are we ready to try with the music? I think we are. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. And continue with walks. See your colleagues, your family. Shoulders and elbows.
I think let's do it one more time. Let's make sure that each part takes 8 counts, or 2 times 8. So we have 2 counts, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We also have 2 times 8 for the improv. So we'll be counting as we're doing it, so we can pay attention to the time. And let's get really wild and crazy for those improvs. Yeah,
yes.
each time you can do different. See what's possible. Here we go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 6, 7, 8. So that's a bit of the challenge with this choreography. We want to be really in our bodies, want to be expressive. At the same time, we have to be counting and thinking about the music. All right, we are ready now to work on the 3rd section of our choreography. This one is really fun, but it's challenging too. This is called the wild duck. So the movement is a little bit based on the movements of a duck. So can we practice flapping our wings in this kind of form? And it's not just your arms that are moving, it's really your chest. It's opening and closing. Bum, 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 bum. So it's kind of like a hip hop duck. Bum. And the duck has a lot of energy, so we call it the wild duck. Okay? So really feel your chest move. Boom, boom, boom. Alrighty. So movement is we start with our right foot and we go bum, bum, bum. And we go to the left. Bum, bum, bum. To the right. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Let's try it again. It's really fast and it's really fun if you're low, your knees are bent, your elbows are bent. It has a lot of energy. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Ooh, yeah, hard work in your back. You're doing it right. You should get warm when you're doing it. Anyway, let's go into the second part. The second part is we take our right leg, we cross in front, we open, and we take our arms over the top, and we close. And left leg crosses, goes back, arm circle, and close. Let's try just that part a few times. Right foot crosses, right foot opens, over the top and close. Left foot, and there's a tricky movement with the legs and the upper body because when the right leg comes front, the right arm goes in the other direction. So this crossed feel in my body. It's not together, it's not that, it's crossed. So right arm goes away from right leg, and they go away from each other, and then they close. Bum, 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 bum. This is a little bit related to an old dance style called Charleston from the 1920s. So we're going to call this Charleston. Anyway, we do 4 times wild duck, and then I think 2 rounds of Charleston. Let's give that a try. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. One, bum, 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 huh, bum, 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 huh. Let's repeat it immediately after us. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. Right leg front, right leg back, all the way to the top. Bum, 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 bum. And if you're feeling more energetic, the Charleston step, you can have your feet in the air. So that would be like one, and here, bum, bum, up and down. So at the end, there's a little bit of like a coming down. Yeah? Let's try with music. Let's do it 2 times through. So wild duck Charleston, wild duck Charleston. 1, 2, 3. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, 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 bum. Let's do it again. Bum, 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 bum. Good. Let's do it again. We'll face back so you can practice with us from behind. It's really fast. Try and be rhythmical, even if you have to make the movement a little bit smaller. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. Good. With this whole dance, my legs are bent, my upper body is bent. Yeah, it's hard to dance like this. It's the more compact you are, the easier it is to move fast. So, here's our challenge for you. We would like you to practice all 3 of the dances in today's video, but especially the wild duck. And when you're ready, when you've mastered all 3 chapters of today's lesson, we can move on to lesson 2. Thanks very much. See you then.